Careful, lad.
Making a move.
Eh? Where are the lads?
One in the center there.
Heading this way.
Bought the pal back, haven't you? Cracked one. Oh, I need that. Tell you what, mate, you sharp go for it.
Check your fire.
Maybe you did my bum there, kid. Good enough.
Right, boys, are they still over there then?
Yeah, they are, mate.